This chewy chocolate chip cookie recipe is by Alton Brown, and it's actually based from the original Toll House chocolate chip cookie recipe, but with several adjustments. So one, as you can see, we're using melted butter instead of softened butter. Usually, to make chocolate chip cookies, we beat softened butter and sugar together to introduce air, kaya nagiging fluffy and lighter in color yung mixture. This creates softness and tenderness. Kapag melted butter ang gamit, wala yung air na yon, so mas compact siya or mas dense, kaya mas chewy ang magiging texture niya. Also note na mas maraming brown sugar ang ginamit sa recipe na ito compared sa white sugar kasi yung molasses dun sa brown sugar helps make the cookie chewy plus more flavorful na rin. Pangatlong adjustment na makikita nyo dito ay yung paggamit ng 1 whole egg plus a yolk instead of 2 whole eggs, tapos yung nawalang egg white ay pinalitan ng milk. Yung fat kasi sa milk helps with chewiness as well. Last adjustment ay yung paggamit ng bread flour instead of all-purpose flour. Bread flour has a higher protein content and yung protein na yon gives structure dun sa cookie. Yung structure ang nagbibigay ng bite or chewiness sa cookie na kapag nasobrahan naman ay nagiging dahilan para maging matigas na ang cookie. Ngayon, para maiwasan yun, make sure to fold your dough gently and just until combined. Yung pagmix kasi ang nag-activate sa protein formation. Pagdating naman sa proseso, you need to chill your dough para mag-firm up muna bago nyo siya i-portion. Tapos, I highly recommend na i-chill nyo muna ulit yung pinortion yung dough bago nyo i-bake para maiwasan ng overspreading. Siguro mga 15 to 30 minutes sa freezer, depende rin sa lakas ng ref nyo at temperature sa paligid. So, ayun nga po. Kung chewy cookie ang type mo, must try ang recipe na ito. Let me know how it will go. And don't forget to subscribe for more.